Hi there guys, nearly stuck again. So I got another figure. This one I am really hoping for Illidan. I usually hate these mystery boxes because I don't like not knowing what I just bought. But let's see if I can have a little fun with this. It is the Blizzard Cute But Deadly Series 2 figures. And my son kind of already popped open, but it's still in the bag. Here's the figures you can get. My oldest is hoping for Bastion. I'm hoping for Illidan. I kind of did a weight challenge, so maybe it's Illidan, because he seems to look heavier than everybody else. Alrighty, let's see what's in him. Oh no, it's not Illidan. Sad face. Let's see, who is he? He is Raynor. He's still a really nice looking figure. He'll probably go to one of my kids. We'll see. Since he wasn't who I wanted. I do like how they packaged up his little knife gun thing so it doesn't get broken. Great detail on these guys. And there he is. The Blizzard Entertainment Cute But Deadly series. Raynor.